Let's check out PromptQuorum. It's a totally different way to think about prompt engineering. Ever feel like you're working with AI in a black box, kind of guessing why things work? Yeah, a lot of us deal with this. Inconsistent results, privacy worries, it's just frustrating. So PromptQuorum's whole idea is transparency. It's designed to be the complete opposite of that black box. It's all about bring your own model. Your prompts and your data, they stay right on your device. And its approach is teaching first. It turns prompting into a skill you can actually learn and master.
The workflow is super simple. Structure, refine, and dispatch. Let's start with structure.
Okay, so first we stop using those simple one-liners and start using professional frameworks instead. You can pick from over 10 frameworks, like Craft for marketing or Specs for deep analysis. All right, once you have that structure, it's time to refine. Let's look at an example.
So let's start with something super vague, like this. You know this won't give great results.
But with just one click, you can add detail, get more specific, and really sharpen it up. And check this out, the platform actually scores your prompt's quality so you can see it improve. And there you go, a professional, optimized prompt that's ready for any advanced AI model out there. Now that your prompt is perfect, it's time for the final step, dispatching it to any AI. You can send it to all the big ones and even local models like Olasama for total privacy.
But hold on, this is where the real magic happens. It's what happens after the AIs respond.
It actually analyzes responses from multiple AIs to see what they all agree on, the ground truth. It finds the consensus, flags contradictions, and can even help spot those pesky AI hallucinations. So what you get is a total shift from a black box of guesswork to a transparent glass box. So that leaves a big question, right? What could you build with AI results you can actually trust? That's PromptQuorum. It's all about giving you real control and confidence when you're working with AI.